Hi all, welcome to another round of Lucy's Unboxings. This time I've got two boxes for you. One sort of somewhat heavy box and kind of heavy box. So we'll take this one first and let's see what we have and figure out what on earth I ordered, because by the time these posted out I've long since forgotten what on earth I actually ordered from Poptaria. Alrighty. Let's see. Get nice yellow wrapping paper, well, tissue paper. And this is, we get a little box with lollies. There is, let's see, what lollies do we have? Got Natural Confectionery Sour Patch Watermelon flavored sweets. Oh, someone will love those. Then, yep, box almost went itself. A pint-sized hair, Snow White themed. We'll open that up in a little bit and see what on earth we got. There is a Grinch pop. If I move that out of the light. And a normal Krampus pop. Kind of fitting since Krampus night was this week, and it said that Krampus will come and take naughty children away, chain them up and put them to work. Maybe even just give them sticks instead of presents. Anyway, let's figure out what was in the Snow White. That looks like to be it. So let's figure out what's in the Snow White package. What do we get? We get, oh, Dopey. Cute little Dopey. Oops. There we go. Spin around maybe. Nope. Oh yes, he does. He was on backwards. Of course he was. There he is. There's the front of him. And that's just the back of Dopey to see the little detail of the mystery mini. Anyway, stay tuned to the next episode and there'll be a second box coming. See you in a bit.